Stop basing your skincare choices on app recommendations and content creators' recommendations. Here's why. On social media, everybody is selling something. I am selling something. It doesn't matter who gives you a recommendation. It is your ultimate responsibility to go back and do your own personal research, especially when it comes to skincare. I've met a lot of people who tell me they only use natural skincare products, and there are others who say they don't use a product unless they scan it with an app to determine whether it has ingredients that are safe for their skin. I totally respect that. But here's the caveat though. When it comes to skincare, personally, it's all about results. The products that the apps are recommending, are they delivering results to you? The first step to getting skincare product is analyzing your personal needs. What are your skin goals? What are the results you want to get from the products you get? Don't just get into products because someone is using it and they're loving it. Know your own goals and shop with the goals in mind. Moving on to those apps. When the app recommends a product and you use that product, what if the product doesn't deliver the results that you're looking for? Are you going to stick with it because the app said so? Or are you going to look for an alternative that will deliver the results? Here's why I'm saying this. I had a personal experience. There are 2 sunscreens that I've used. I used one and it broke my skin out terribly, and I could not continue with it because it burned my skin literally. And then I used the second one and it delivered great results for my skin. It was actually recommended by dermatologists. So I love this sunscreen. But guess what? When I put these sunscreens in the app to analyze them for me, to determine whether they are clean enough for my skin, it is the one that broke my skin out, and it failed the one that gave me results. Am I going to just go with the one that the app aced because it said so? Or am I going to go with the one that delivered results? You guessed it right. I'm going with the one that delivers results. I have a skin goal. I wanted a sunscreen that would give me results without irritating my skin. And this one did it for me. This one didn't work for me. There are people online who use these sunscreens and they work for them. That's another thing about skincare. There is no one size fits all. Everybody's skin is different. So it is your personal responsibility to analyze skincare products. Try them. Give it 3 to 6 months. If you are not seeing results, try something else. One of the things I pride myself in when it comes to me servicing my clients is the fact that I don't sell products to people. When I meet people, they're like, "Where's your website?" So I could order. I'm like, "No, I can't give you my website. I would like to meet with you to understand your skin so I could better recommend products tailored for your unique skin." Everybody has a different goal. At this point in my life, my goal is not to fight acne breakouts. If I meet someone whose goal is to fight acne breakout, their results will be different. The products I recommend to them will be different. I can meet somebody whose goal is to combat dry skin. They need different products. So it is very important that you understand your skin goals, your needs, and then get products that will deliver results. It doesn't matter who recommends a product. Your question should always be, I have used this product for a year. Do I like the results I'm getting? If you don't like the results, it's time to switch it up. Even if I recommended it to you, if I recommend a product and you're using it and you don't like the result, you don't have to keep using it. You are paying for these products, so they should deliver results to you. The bottom line is this: let's be responsible. Let's do the work. Study your own skin. Understand your own skin. Don't let content creators and apps determine what is right for you. You make that decision. I hope this helps. And if it does, let me know in the comments. If you have other questions, let me know in the comments. And if you still haven't subscribed yet, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my weekly uploads. And as always, take care of your skin and stay radiant.